Hello everyone. Today is our lecture number 12 and our topic is common prompting mistakes to avoid. Very important topic. It's like what not to do when talking to AI. Let's take an example. Ever talk to AI and feel like it's just not getting it? Like you are speaking English but it's answering in Martian. Most people stumble not because the AI is bad, but because the prompt is broken. Let's fix that. Even powerful tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini can fail. Think of AI like a helpful assistant with zero initiative. It does exactly what you say, nothing more, nothing less. So, what are the most common prompt mistakes? Number 1, being too vague. For example, you gave a prompt, tell me about design. It's too broad. AI doesn't know what kind of design you want, graphic, product, UX. Instead, give the prompt like explain the key principles of UX design for a mobile app in simple terms a beginner can understand. Mistake number 2, asking too many things at once. For example, write an article, give me 10 ideas, summarize a book, and translate all in one go. AI gets confused, or it gives shallow results. Instead, break it down into separate steps using prompt chaining, like we learned in the previous lecture. Mistake number 3, not giving context. For example, fix this paragraph. AI doesn't know what tone or audience you are targeting. A better approach is fix this paragraph to sound more formal. Audience is senior business professionals. Mistake number 4, being impolite or bossy. You don't have to flatter the AI, but a clear and respectful tone helps. Just do it, you are wrong. That's not a way to talk. Instead, try this. Let's try a different angle. Can you rewrite it using simpler language? It leads to better responses in multi-turn chats. Mistake number 5, most common and most important, forgetting to review. Even the best prompts sometimes give weird results. Always scan what the AI gives you and ask follow up questions to refine or correct it. Try it yourself. Give it a vague prompt. Tell me about marketing. See the generic result. Now give it a improved prompt like write a 100-word explanation of influencer marketing targeted at small business, especially those small business owners who are new to social media. It's a much better prompt. Notice how specificity changes everything. Think of AI like a mirror. It reflects the clarity of your request. Garbage in, garbage out. Precision, tone, and structure. These are your power tools. Master them. And the AI becomes your creative partner, not just a chatbot.